Topping our news today at noon, the most important abortion decision in nearly 25 years. The High Court deciding 5-3 to strike down Texas regulations on abortion providers. This is a huge win for the clinics and women they represent, and it may make it harder for states like Florida to pass tougher abortion regulations in the future.
Women won today! Women won today!
As expected, Justice Kennedy held the key vote, deciding the state of Texas went too far in its regulations, striking them down 5-3 and setting a precedent for the country. The justices heard arguments in early March, the first after the death of Justice Antonin Scalia, who was expected to back Texas in this case. On the steps of the court, passion from both sides. The Texas law requires abortion clinics are more like surgical centers and that doctors have admitting privileges at a hospital within 30 miles. Critics say those regulations make it impossible for many centers to stay open. And since the law was enacted, half of the clinics in Texas have closed. Hence, the law's opponents argued an undue burden.
After years of fighting heartless, anti-choice politicians who would seemingly stop at nothing to put abortion out of reach, I want everybody to understand, you don't mess with Texas women.
Lawyers representing the state of Texas and anti-abortion activists argued the regulations were put in place to protect women's health.
Babies lost and their mothers lost.